Hello and welcome ulit sa Kusina ni Mrs. O. For today, very simple yung ating recipe. Actually, napaka-konti ng ingredients. Talagang everything is just really all about yung procedure. So basically, our cooking is carbonara. Yung iba ham ang ginagamit, but tayo particularly we're using bacon. So I think this is CDO young smoked bacon. Cream, tapos some garlic, little bit of onions. I'm gonna put a little bit of beef bouillon because we'll be putting a lot of cream, and then egg yolks. Before we start, yung cream, we mix it na with the egg yolks. So this is the one that I will add at the very end. So kung maaral lang natin, remember when you cook scrambled eggs, di ba? Nagso-solidify. So magiging mas thick nga yung sauce na because of the cream. So this one, we're just gonna slice it. Tapos, siguro I'm gonna be using a little bit of Italian seasoning, just to give it more texture. And Parmesan cheese. So, I'm just gonna sizzle that and add some more. Parang ang dami na, pero the more, the merrier. Diba? At Links, pwede mo na itago itong iba. Exagyo ang ating bacon, pero okay yun. So this one, basically, I put it in low fire. We will saute it until lumabas lahat ng oil ng ating bacon. So there you go. Okay. If you want, you can add a little bit of olive oil just to help it. Yan, just to help aid it. Or canola oil. Tapos now that this is boiling, we're gonna put our spaghetti. No? So you can use any brand. Except ito, galing pa to sa Christmas basket. Kalahating taon na, so dapat magamit ko na, no? So, oops, there you go. So this is any spaghetti. You can use fettuccine. You can use linguine. You can start smelling the bacon already. And then at this point, I'm just gonna add the garlic. The distinct flavor of carbonara would be garlic and bacon, really. So, iba-ibang style lang yan sa paggawa. Some use ham. Pwede rin, except ang magsasuffer lang talaga is that smokiness. So, that smoky flavor of bacon. Okay, there we go. So, here, anuhin lang natin. So, let me just season it with pepper. So, there. So this one, you don't want to make it crispy, no? Not like the one yung breakfast. Yung kasama ng pancake. But definitely, you want it a little bit cooked. Kasi hindi pleasant naman kagatin yung taba ng bacon, no? So you want it to be a little bit cooked. So here, I can bend na my pasta. Normally, I'd put the bacon in high fire. But one of the reasons I'm putting it in low fire because tinatimingan ko maluto yung pasta. So, once mag-start maluto yung pasta, I'll incorporate it here, then I'll add the cream. Because remember, dun sa mga past recipes natin ng pasta, sabi natin, sometimes you even use the water. Kasi itong naka-box na pasta, basically may starch na siya or may thickener, no? So, may flour siya. So, that's what we're incorporating. So, I think we're already getting the effect that we want. So, I'm just gonna turn this off for a while and wait for it to be cooked. Para yung timing natin. Okay? 50 heat. This is gonna be 7 minutes. So, while we're cooking that, nag-iisip pa ako kung hahalong ko ng Italian seasoning or not. Highly optional because pwedeng meron, pwedeng wala. So, we are gonna add it. There. Let me just add the onions now. Why are we adding onions? To enhance the flavor of bacon. Ibig sabihin to make it more potent. Garlic is to add flavor. Onions is to enhance. Meaning yung ine-exaggerate natin. Okay, so now we're gonna add the cream. So, ito pa yung cream na straight off the box. Hindi pa siya yung cream na may egg yolks kasama. So, we're gonna put that there. So, from this point, now, I'm just gonna use half the beef cubes, no? Para lang mas ma-enhance pa yung flavor. Yan. So, that's half. So, there. 5 more minutes pa yung pasta. So, since it a little bit. I add a little bit of the liquid. So, nag-melt na, nag-disintegrate na yung ating beef cubes. We're just gonna turn it off for a while. I'm gonna turn it off and take it out from the fire and wait for the pasta to cook for 5 minutes because we have customers waiting. I just want the parsley to be a little bit more fine. If you notice, gumagalaw yung aking chopping board. So, what do you do when that happens? You just put a towel under. So, hindi na siya gumagalaw. Okay. Abangan natin yan because magagamitin natin siya. And then, also, the Parmesan cheese. So, now, just gonna add a little bit of the water. A little bit of the water from the pasta. Then, in a minute, we're going to be adding the cooked pasta. So, I'll turn off the fire and dito ko na siya ita-transfer. Okay, al dente. Then, cover lang ng sauce. Every bite, merong bacon. Yummy. Just gonna add some more. Very thick, no? It's a very thick pasta. So I'm just adding more pasta. So there, if you look at it, diba? It's a little bit watery, no? So at this point, we're gonna add this. Remember, ito yung maliit natin na cream that we added with egg yolks. Ginawa ko 2 egg yolks kasi maliit yung eggs. If malaki yung eggs ninyo, there's no need for you to make it 2. So this one, basically, you will just put it on the heat para to make sure lang na mag-solidify yung eggs or maluto sa cream. Let me just flip it. Yeah, para it's easier. Makamix siya ng madali. See, look at that. It became thicker. So, it's a little bit, ano na siya, thick because of the egg yolks. So, in fact, you don't even need to put the cheese, no? You'll just put it on top. Look at that. So, this is our carbonara. So, napaka-simple ng ingredients, but really, the procedure is you actually mix the egg yolks. So, basically, it's really the procedure of you putting the egg yolks into the cream. That's what makes a world of difference. Just putting this. Tapos again, optional ha. Kung gusto nyo na may Italian seasoning or wala. At dahil nandito na yung ating isang guest, siya naman yan ang titikim. So, si customer number 1. May taste tester na tayo. Okay. Kamusta yung carbonara?